What's up, YouTube and do-it-yourselfers out there? I'm going to show you how to do the one-man show. Brake caliper, pads, rotors, however the case may be. So if you're changing your calipers, this is a caliper. You want to line clamp your brake hose off, okay, with a hose clamp, pliers, or line clamp pliers. Get them at Harbor Freight or your tool dealer if he shows up. Remove the caliper, reinstall everything, put the caliper back together. Remove the line clamp from here, okay, so let the fluid flow. Open the bleeder until fluid starts to come out. You see the little air bubbles? All right, close it. Once the fluid starts to flow, go back inside the car and pump the brake pedal till it's firm. Get back out of the car, confirm that the master cylinder is full. Open the cap, put brake fluid in it. Come back to this wheel again, open the bleeder screw, and monitor it. See a little air bubble? Push on the brake hose, it'll help push the air out if there's any in there. Push on the hose. You don't see any more air bubbles, your money. Close the bleeder. Do the same thing to the other side if you're doing a set of calipers. This only works well if you're servicing a caliper that has not had a hydraulic failure. That means that the caliper has blown out, fluid has come out of it, and you lost fluid at the master cylinder. If you're doing a brake job and you're servicing the caliper for replacement, line clamp, replace the caliper and parts that are needed, reassemble, remove the hose clamp, open the bleeder till you get fluid out of it, close the bleeder, go up front, pump the brake pedal, open the master cylinder, make sure it's full of fluid, go back to the wheel, open the bleeder again, inspect it for air bubbles coming out. If you see a little bit, wiggle the brake hose. Keep wiggling the brake hose so you don't see anymore. Give it a couple little taps. Once it's no air bubbles, close it, you're done. That's the one-man bleed. If you have other hydraulic failures in the system, this doesn't work very well. On older cars, you could. Today's cars are too complex. You know, if you have a hydraulic failure at the front and air got introduced into the system and the ABS unit and all that other shit, you got some work ahead of you. Thanks for watching.